Hey friends, if you wish to know what keyboard function keys F1 to F12 do, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. Now the first, it depends on computer to computer, but I'm talking about the ASUS stuff computer that I'm using. The first function key is used to mute the volume. The second function key is used to, mute the touchpad. And the third one is to unmute the touchpad. The fourth one is for aura. The fifth one is to handle the fan speed. The sixth one is for copy paste. The seventh one is to decrease the brightness, and the eighth one is to increase the brightness. The ninth one will manage multiple monitors. The 10th one is for resizing. The 11th one is for putting it in sleep mode, and F12 is for using the airplane mode. Now this is for my computer, but it is different for different computers, so it depends. Now if you have a different computer like an HP, Dell or Lenovo computer, then let me know in the comment section of the video on what you believe about this and what your function keys do. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.